Joint Committee on People's Welfare Yaripok, an apex body of 9 clubs comprising of Yaifa Lamjing Maira Club Malom, Eastern Youth Union Club Kakmayai, Ningel Youth Club, Sandrakhong Social Welfare Club and Horton Mairapaibi staged a torch rally at Yaripok last night demanding prompt justice for Baby Sana. Around 1,000 people took part in the protest. The 48-hour band called by different civil society organizations against the obstruction given to public movement by 43 Assam Rifles at More Gate No. 1 ended today. Sources said the organizations are preparing for taking up further protest until their demands are met. Inspector General of Police Jayanta, Deputy Commissioner, Superintendent of Police Tengnopal held talks with the agitating groups, sources said. The agitating groups also submitted a memorandum to the Forest and Environment Minister Shyam Kumar through the DC, raising their demands. A team of Thoubal commandos yesterday seized a huge quantity of liquor from one bootlegger identified as Soibam Rahul Singh, aged 28, son of Ace Bokarzan from Thoubal Bazar. He was later handed to Thoubal police station for further legal investigation. Former president of Tamenglong District Congress Committee and also former ADC Tamenglong chairman G. Soihem Haumai passed away yesterday at his Tausang Kulen residence in Khopum subdivision of None district. Party Vice President S. Achoba and other leaders paid homage to the lifeless body of Soihem Haumai.